Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to make a really quick video on crypto again, mostly really Ethereum, because Ethereum does seem to be leading all other crypto in the current drop that it's having right now. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not surprised about what's going on right now. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I'm still bearish 100%, mainly due because the weekly, as of right now, the weekly is still completely bearish, which makes me completely 100% bearish. So the really crappy part is right now is that I don't have any good news. If anything, I have worse news than before. And that is that, let me actually get rid of this. I don't need this. Major trend. We can actually put this here just because we have a major trend there. And actually, I can do this. Move that, put this down here. There we go. So, as of right now, unfortunately, I am still 100% bearish. If anything, I'm even more bearish now than I was, the last time I made any video on, on crypto or Bitcoin or whatever. And that's mainly due for the reason that because as of right now, we actually just had that 4-hour trigger that happened on Bitcoin. We actually did end up selling off back to 29K, which was my original target, which I told you guys in my last video. I'm like, you know what? We're definitely going to go down to 29K again. That just hit. I think Bitcoin is headed back to 26,200 bucks. Unfortunately, we just had Ethereum also. Let me see. We just had Ethereum break lows. It's currently on major support right now. Major support of, what is this? 1,800 bucks, 1795. It's currently a major support. You guys can see that little bounce to the upside a little bit, right? If we zoom in on the 5-minute chart, you guys can see that it actually came exactly, like right there at like 1795, and then it bounced from there, right? So it does have some really good support right there. I think personally, it's going to keep moving to the low side, right? Especially right now that we're going to be closing this bear trigger on the daily. We have other examples of what happens when we close bear dailies. It doesn't look very good right now, right? It looks kind of horrible that it's actually closing it right now around this time. So something similar that happened historically is back here. We actually closed this little green bubble right above the 0 line, and then you had the stochastic around these same levels of what, like roughly like 25, and here you had levels of 25, 37, so not too far off. You actually ended up dropping on Ethereum from $3,000 all the way down to $1,700, which is a $1,200 drop. I'm not gonna say we're gonna drop 1,200 bucks, but it does look pretty disgusting. I mean, if I had to guess right now, I'd say my next target would be, I know there's definitely gonna be a lot more support here on Ethereum, but let me see. We have support here, we got support here, and then we have support somewhere around this level. Where's it better? Here, 3. That's good right there. So we do have a lot of support around this general area and stuff, and getting close to that 200 MA. But next level is going to be, what is this? 1623 on Ethereum. And I'd have to assume that, for Bitcoin, it's going to be roughly something similar, around that same range. But I think as of right now, if I had to guess, I think target right now for this drop would actually be somewhere closer to 1,200, 1,300 Ethereum, which would probably put Bitcoin somewhere around like 25K, somewhere around this range right here. And it's unfortunate again, right? Like we had this drop right here that we had right here. It's very similar to, let me see if I can find a similar example. I don't think I have one. Maybe like here. So last time we had a drop that was similar to this, we actually dropped from 43.3 all the way down to 33, like 33K, right? So 43.3 to 43K, so about $10,000 drop, which would put us at like an 18K, 19K Bitcoin, somewhere around this major support right here, which is actually, this actually should be major support from the previous time that we actually rallied in 2017. Yeah, there we go. Previous time from 2017. So